How to fix Instagram not selecting more than 10 photos. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Play Store, search Instagram, and make sure your Instagram is updated to the latest version. After it's updated, you can simply go to Settings. In Settings, scroll down and you'll find Apps and Notifications. Click on Apps and Notifications. In here, click on See All Apps and then search for Instagram. And click on Storage and Cache. Clear cache. After you have cleared cache of Instagram in here, simply open Instagram. After that, you will be able to post more than 10 photos on Instagram. This is how to fix Instagram not selecting more than 10 photos. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.